Differences between current assets and non-current assets. Current assets versus non-current assets. Current assets are resources held for a short period of time and are mainly used for trading purposes. Whereas, non-current assets are assets that last for a long time and are acquired for continuous use by an entity. The time frame of current assets are held for a short period of time such as less than 1 year. Whereas, the time frame of non-current assets are held for a long period of time such as more than 1 year. The purpose of current assets is to manage day-to-day trading activities over the short term. Whereas, the purpose of non-current assets to spend on fixed assets is to generate income over the long term. Current assets are called as current accounts or liquid assets. Whereas, non-current assets is called as fixed assets. Current asset is valued as per its current market value or cost value, whichever is lower. Whereas, non-current asset is valued by the cost of the asset depreciation. Current assets are acquired with short-term funds. Whereas, non-current assets are acquired with long-term funds. At the time of sale, there is an operating gain or operating loss in current assets, whereas, at the time of sale, there is a capital gain or capital loss in non-current assets. Current assets cannot be used as collateral. Whereas, non-current assets can be used as collateral. Current assets are left-hand side of accounting equation. Whereas, non-current assets are also left-hand side of accounting equation. The example of current assets include cash, cash equivalents, accounts receivable, stock inventory, marketable securities, prepaid liabilities, debtors, and other liquid assets. Whereas, example of non-current assets can be intangible assets, like investments and intellectual property, real estate, plant, equipment, vehicles and machinery. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.